Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a pop-up form in Wix. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to wix.com, log in using user credentials and you'll be on this page. On this page, click on the site that you want to edit. From the top, choose the site, then click on Design Site button at the right side of the screen. You'll be navigated to your Wix editing page. On this page, click on this Add Elements button at the top left. Now, choose Interactive from this list and you will see an option saying Lightboxes. From this section, you can choose whether you want that pop-up to be a welcome message, subscribe message, promotion or contact. So in my case, I will choose subscribe. Click on that specific lightbox element that you want to add. Now choose from these templates. So I'm going to choose this one, left click on it. And as you can see, I just added this lightbox onto my site. Now I will have the form appearing just right here. Now you'll have to click on manage lightboxes. Click on this three-dotted icon, click on settings and you will see this page. Now you can edit this pop-up's name from this. You can choose whether you want to automatically display lightbox on pages. You can choose between yes and no. Now choose which pages is it on. So click on this home page button. Now choose where do you want to display this pop-up. So I will choose home. Now you can choose the delay for this pop-up. For example, when the site opens or when someone clicks on the button of that pop-up, how much time it will take for it to open. So you can choose the delay from this, increase it or decrease it. So I will choose 3 seconds. Now scroll down and you can choose when your site visitors see this lightbox. Click on set schedule button and choose an start date and end date from this. You can choose the start time, end time, time zone, or you can click on clear scheduling and remove this. Now after doing all these settings, you can also choose how does lightbox close with an X icon at the top, that is this icon, or a close button from bottom. So you can just enable that specific element which you like. Now cut this out and click on set triggers. Now you can also choose the layout for this. You can choose whether you want this pop-up to be positioned left or right. You can click on design and choose another background image for this. It's pretty cool. Now click on animation and choose how do you want this pop-up to appear. So I will choose expand, click on customize. Now you can choose the duration for this expansion, the delay for this expansion, and choose the direction from this and choose the motion style among gentle, moderate and intense. Now cut this out and click on preview. As you can see, this is how my pop-up is going to look like. And when you click on this success message option, you can select this link, choose Lightbox, click on create new, click on link, choose document, click on choose file. Now create a form and add that form onto this Lightbox link and you would have successfully made a pop-up form in Wix. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.